In this short video, I want to demonstrate how CogniCrypt can help us in the usage of the qTESLA post-quantum signature scheme when using it in Eclipse. To that end, I have here generated a small routine which intentionally contains 3 errors, and we try to solve those issues with the help of CogniCrypt. The first error that is shown is directly here the key pair generator generation, and it tells us that the value which is employed as a parameter has to lie within qTESLA P3 or qTESLA in order to employ qTESLA signature scheme. So we have to add a P3 here at its position. The second error now is here the generation of the key pair itself. We see that CogniCrypt is expecting that we call an initialize method for the generator before we generate a key pair. So in order to be conform with the GCA interface, we have to call initialize for the generator. And finally, the third error that we see here is when we try to update the signature with the bytes we want to sign. And the error tells us that CogniCrypt is expecting the call of the initSign method before we update the message. So we have to pass the private key to the signature object before we are able to update the message and finally sign it. So we have to call initSign with the private key we have generated with the key pair generator. Now we can rerun the analysis of CogniCrypt by employing the misuse detection. So now it's for 40%, 50%, and it finally finds no errors anymore, and we have resolved all issues.